I'll show you what I'm doing next. It's this splashback in white, and then I do this bathroom. Yeah, but I'll be stripping it all out, and they're going to have a standalone bath. We're going up to the ceiling again. That bulkhead I don't do, I just come up to it. So easy peasy. I'll be doing the architrave again because it's only a 10mm architrave and you got a 12mm tile with glue. So it's, you know, it's a no-brainer. That's just no good. Anyway, yeah, so I'll hook into this grout and then I'll go and have some lunch. We'll see you soon. With this tile, I did it another time on a feature wall. It was a feature tile, and I had about 5 tiles the wrong way. But I knew this time, I didn't even see it. This was in a lady's house, and she said to me a week later, "Oh, Chris, I think you've done some the wrong way." Oh yeah, well, bummer. I went and had a look, and yes, I had. So anyway, it was an easy fix. Just pulled them out and, you know, took the bull by the horns, and I'd made a mistake. I didn't even see it. Oh, which that annoyed me. It really annoyed me because you're always sort of proud of looking at the situation and dealing with it, but you know, it just, I didn't see it. This time though, I knew what to expect. So it was a it took about an hour splashback. I'm not going to say 5 minutes because it didn't, but it was still easy, quick splashback. But then you still got to grout it and silicon it, and you know, so all up a couple of hours. Here they asked me could I put in a couple of pieces of timber, so I said yeah, I'll do that. No biggie. No biggie. People love it when you throw in a few things. I always throw in a, you know, throw in a few things. God, I know exactly how long they're going to take, and it's not very long. And it means a lot to them because they're not having to get someone in. Like I wasn't going to do the vanity in the ensuite, but now I am, because they rang around and they got quotes of $900 to fit the vanity, and I said, whoa, and they said, whoa, you're not wrong. That was you know, a little bit steep. $900. If you set yourself up, I know exactly where the studs are, so it should just sort of take an hour, I'd say. But someone has charged 900, you know, said it'll cost you $900 because, well, it's job unseen. Yeah, this is ultra white grout. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. Okay, DIYs, I'll get my wash boy, give it a quick wipe off. And then I'll silicone it with, oh, probably tomorrow morning. I've got to come back to do a couple of little things, but half a day and then I'll be out of here and on to the next on Monday. Okay, people, we'll see you soon. Subscribe if you haven't. It's the thing to do, and you'll always get my videos. You won't miss out. So press the subscribe button. I got tongue-tied then. We'll see you soon. Bye. Okay, so we're just wiping off this splashback tile. They want me to do this floor too, but it's solid. It's solid as, so I'll be going straight over the top. I'll probably remove the skirting. But yeah, there's nothing wrong with the floor, or the tile's just a bit out of date. But it's been laid well. There's no drummy spots or anything like that. So I'll prime it all and go over the top. Trim the door down at the front door there. I think they want it done in about 6 months. 5-6 months. Yeah, so I'll be back. When you're doing it all the time, your eye is actually trained to pick up little things. When you're doing it all the time, you're used to it. When you're, let's say, like, what's the word, a professional tiler? Well, you get to see things that show out, little minor things. Your eye sort of, you get an eye for detail. Now I'm not pressing hard. That's a shiny tile. And it's super easy to grout. Being shiny, you don't press hard. When you're grouting also DIYs, you always sort of concentrate on your corners a little, because then when you're silicone, it's, you know, it's all go, because there's no grout left. And your bottoms, sometimes if you're wiping off too fast, you'll miss bits on your internals or against your cabinet, and it's a bummer because you've got to scratch it all out first. But if you concentrate on your wiping, you're laughing. That's it. We'll see you soon. Bye.